Hey everyone, check out the WHOMASS 3FT folding camping table, perfect for outdoor adventures and indoor use. This lightweight table weighs just 19.15 pounds and folds down to a compact size for easy transport and storage. It features two adjustable heights and a spacious 23.7 by 35.7 inch tabletop, ideal for BBQs, picnics, or working comfortably. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with a scratch-resistant surface, it supports up to 220 pounds for reliable strength. The table also includes a handy mesh storage tier underneath for organizing your gear and hanging utensils with S-hooks. Setup is quick and simple. Just open, insert the legs, and lock them in place. Plus, swivelable plastic mats on the legs keep the table stable on any surface, making it versatile for all your outdoor needs. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.